Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR or zip file archives on your TCL 30 using app called RAR. So in order to do that, let's locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. So there's two pictures which I want to pack, so we'll need to select them right here and then press the plus button. Now we'll be able to customize our RAR or zip file by changing its name, so let's call it pictures. We can also change extension for the file from RAR to zip to RAR 4.x. You can set a password for the archive, so let's do it simple, 1, 2, 3. If we're not sure that we typed it in correctly, we can show the password in order to see it. You can also enable to encrypt the file names. Next thing is to enable delete files after archiving. You can customize it your way and create solid archive. Now let's go to advanced options, and there'll be a few more options which you can change. In options there's even more options which you can also change. In the comments you can write any comment about your archive, and after setting up everything we can press the OK button and the file will be unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.